Now we will discuss about the aquatic weeds. So अभी क्या हो रहा है कि there is a some one question like in the match of the column or MCQ type, one question is asked from the aquatic weeds. So basically यहाँ से जो question आता है that is from the example section, but we have to know some basics regarding this. So first of all, aquatic weed are mainly four types: emerge weeds, submerged weeds, marginal weed and floating weeds. So emerge weed क्या है कि इनका जो रूट होता है वो बॉटम मड में अटैच होता है, एंड इनका जो लीफ होता है वो वाटर लेवल के साथ राइज एंड फॉल नहीं होता, मीन्स दे आर स्टैटिकली पोजिशन इन द सॉइल. एंड इसका हम एग्जांपल याद कर सकते हैं लाइक सतनाम जबो, मीन्स व्हेन वी टेक द नेम ऑफ आवर रिलीजियस आइडल then we can emerge our inner power, our inner feeling like that. So for example, S means Sagittaria, T means Typha elephantina, and means Nilampo, J means Jessica. And now coming to the submerged weed, so इनका जो वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ द वेजिटेटिव पार्ट इनका वाटर के नीचे होता है, दर सबमर्ज्ड वीड. एंड इसके एग्जांपल है आर्टिकुलेरिया, लैम्पना, वेलिसनेरिया, सल्वेरिया, हाइड्रिला. इसको हम याद कर सकते हैं, वी कैन रिलेट दिस विद द अल्ट्रा लो वॉल्यूम स्प्रे. सो अल्ट्रा लो वॉल्यूम जो स्प्रे होता है विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हाइड्रिला. सो वी कैन रिलेट दिस with the example of submerged weed. So U means Atricularia, L means Labna, V means Velisneria, S means Albania, H means Hydrilla. Now next is marginal weeds. तो ये weeds क्या होता है कि ये शोर लाइन में ग्रो करते हैं, और जहाँ पे पानी 60 to 90 सेंटीमीटर रहता है they can easily grow there. And for example, they are Typha angustiata, Cephalanthus, Scypus, Ranunculus, Alphalanthera. For remembering, we can relate this like as we know that TCS is a very big company nowadays in the IT sector, that is Tata Consultancy Services. So nowadays they are providing some research alternative for the employee of their company. So we can just acronym these, like the first word like T means Typha angustiata, C means Cephalanthus, S means Scypus, R means Ranunculus, Alphalanthera. And now coming to the floating weeds, so these are the weeds which just flow on the water surface, for example Nymphia, Icornia and Pistia. So we can relate this example with our new education policy NEP. Like our NEP was legislated in 2020, but still the implementation is just on the surface. So we can say that the implementation is just a floating condition. So we can relate this example with the floating weeds. So that is Nymphia, Icornia and Pistia. So that's it about it. Thank you so much.